This video I'm going to show you how to use Gulp boilerplate for your next HTML project within few minutes. First of all, go to repository. You can find link in the description. Either fork this repository or download the source code and then extract the folder. Now install dependencies using npm command npm install. Once packages are installed, just type gulp and this will open localhost server in your default browser with port 3000. Compile sass to CSS and start browsersync for live reload. So gulpfiles.js, this 50 lines of code does the all automation from starting the localhost server to watching sass compilation to live reload. The project is very short and minimal in order to support very quick project development. We will wait for few seconds for package installation. Okay, so after packages are installed, just write gulp inside the terminal and hit enter. So the project is started. You can see this localhost 3000. Now if we change any sass or HTML file, it will reload automatically. And that's it. Now you can start editing your HTML and sass files, and no need to worry about sass compilation and reloading your browser after saving the file. And finally, I hope this repo will help you with your HTML CSS project, and thank you for watching this video.